Hello and welcome to Research Circle. Today's topic here is benefits of positive attitude. This is somehow a topic which everyone can relate to their life. So positive attitude, what is positive attitude and how it helps in our general life, that we will discuss in this particular video. So before we start, we have to understand what is an attitude. So basically, if we discuss about the attitude, attitude is nothing but your mindset, your mental position, or your way of thinking. So here you can see the example. The glass is half filled, and other you can see the glass is half full. So now it's your perspective. If you want to see it as a half empty, that you will take it as a negative way. If you want, you can take it positively, that it is half full. You must have heard about this example very commonly. So if your attitude is like this, that this glass is half empty, that means your attitude is pessimist. You are somehow pessimist person. And if you think that this glass is half full, that means you are optimistic person in somehow. So this is what the attitude basically defines in two categories. Now there is no problem in thinking that this glass is half empty, but I can assure you there are some benefits of positive attitude, or if you think this glass is half full. So what are these benefits? We'll discuss this one by one. The first major benefit here is your life will simple. Like everyone has their problem, like we are in the pandemic situation, everyone is facing somehow any problem in their life. Some are facing financial crisis, some are facing medical crisis. There are many crises. So problems are there, so scary problems are there. But if you are very positive enough to think about the solutions, you will get the solutions in the problem only. So that you don't have to involve only in the problems, you have to move toward the solutions. That is what we call positive thinking. So think positive, you don't have to pay extra money to think positive. So what is the problem in thinking positive? So that will surely help you in some way. The main next benefit here is you can see solution in the problem. Now we all know, we have encountered the maths problem. We somehow in any stage of our life we have encountered the maths problem. We all know we have given the data there, and we have to find the solution by using that data only. So problem solution is in problem only. If you look very carefully, if you look alertly, you will find their solution and you will able to find it in a very quick manner. For this you have to look it like in that attitude. Okay, so if you have a right attitude, so difficult problem will be simple for you. The next one is you can lead when you positive. So leadership quality must need this positive attitude, because if you have to lead somehow your team, somehow your staff, employees, you must be positive, otherwise you will not be an attracting people. Okay, so or you cannot guide properly to the staff or to your, you can see some of the great leaders here like Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King, all are very great leaders. And if you read their biographies, you will come to know that what is the importance of positive attitude or positive thinking in their life. The next one is you can face the fear. Now we all know, we all have fear of something, and we are not able to neglect it, but we can handle it very in a very sincerely manner. If you have this positive attitude, if you have this positive mental ability to think about, so you can encounter this fear of daunting. Very common fears are there: fear of rejection, fear for not fulfilling your dreams, and fear of failure. But obviously this is the most common one. So you can, the challenges are there, you all know challenges are there, but with somehow an extra age, you can encounter those with the positive energy, positive vibrations that will help you to avoid or encounter your fear very handy. The next one is how you can change negative thoughts. So the only thing you can replace it with the positive thoughts. So positivity is the cornerstone of your success. So if you do you want to success in your life, everyone want to fulfill their dreams to become a successful person in their field. So the main key thing to understand here, never give up attitude should be there. With the positive attitude, you have to develop that never give up attitude. Never give up till your success. Don't give up. So this adopting positive outlook ultimately can break your limit. What are your limitations that can be breaked by this never give up attitude and positive outlook? So think about it. You will somehow realize that how it will help in your life. The next one is you can handle criticism more wisely. Now there is criticism. Whatever you want to do in your life, some people are there or some mouth are there will definitely criticize you in some way. So if you have this positive attitude, you can avoid these negative people with a very great manner. So this is also a good benefit of it. Now you will admire yourself more than anyone else. Now self admiring is more important. Self esteem, self confident, these all things are very beneficial in your actions. So if you feel a weakness, if you feel lack of strength in within you, then you cannot do your optimistic. So please maintain this decorum, like self confidence should be there. You must admire yourself. You must bless yourself that no, I am doing well, I will do well. So positive affirmation should be there. Then you can say goodbye to mental stress as well. Now as soon as you will develop this positive mental attitude within you, the stress will be somehow minimum. You will not feel the stress that you were facing earlier. Worry, anxiety, stress, this all are lacking to somehow or any disease. So believe me, it can help you in some ways. The next one here is positive cultivates happiness. We all know positivity ultimately will bring you happiness. So try to be positive. No doubt there you cannot live positive throughout the day. There will be times in the day where you will feel low. So in that time, do something like there are good quotes. You can watch that. There are good motivational videos, or do what you feel happy or what you feel very satisfying. Like try to maintain your hobby. Try to do something. If you like going outside with the cycling, do that. So that ultimately help you in some ways. Optimistic attitude help you become healthier. Ultimately, if your stress become less, if you're quite happy enough, your health will be very good. So this is the main advantage in this pandemic situation. I can say if you reduce the stress, your health somehow will grow in positive way. And you can more trustworthy friends as well. As so if you are good attitude person, so people will like you in some ways. So that is why you will have more friends, trustworthy friends. Then positive people can take risk taking attitude will be automatically developed with this. So hit the six, take the risk. We already know this quote, very famous quote. So it's an appeal. Now, while we concluding, we all have seen the benefits of positive attitude, risk-taking ability, never give up attitude. So this is somehow inspired you, will inspire you. And if you want to inspire other as well, as please share this video on social media or your belongings, so that they will also take the benefit of it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to Research Circle. Thank you so much.